Right, a bit of a different video today. It's not a restoration video. It's to do with restoration, mind you. But I just got this through the post. And I was very lucky with this. It cost me less than a tenner. So let's see what's inside here. I've sorted it all out. I took all the paper out and chucked all the rubbish away. So let's have a look and see what we got in here. Right, let's see what we got in this box. Whoa, look at that lot. Here's the Fab 1. Now that ain't bad at all. That's a proper Fab 1 there. It needs a new grill because the grill is missing the piece on the top. The lady needs figures, needs a steering wheel, needs a canopy, missiles. But other than that, just got to be took apart and resprayed really. So that should be a nice little restoration video later on. So that's that one. And the next one has already been took apart for me. I've looked at this and there's all the bits. It's a Ford Zephyr police car, and there's a missing back bumper on it. The front bumper's all there, but I'm going to have to buy front and back because there's a piece missing, and there's a back door missing as well with the inside part, the plastic piece. But that's another car that can be done on a video. There's a little digger truck with a man. That's a Thwaites dumper truck, Corgi. Bent bar on the front. That can be sorted out. Apart from that, it's just general clean up and repaint. That could be done quite easily. Nothing wrong with that. There's a Lotus there. Came with it, called the Avengers Lotus. I mean, all you got to do is paint it white and you've got an Avengers Lotus. Bits of tyre falling off of it. And these new tyres anyway. They're all ratty as hell, these are. All brittle. But yeah, there's another. And there's the other part. There's the old Steed car. Steering wheel in the back. Original Steed figure as well I had. I was very pleased with that because they're not cheap. So that's another Avengers set I can make out of them too. There's an old Whiz Wheels Range Rover. They're not very good really. I mean they're alright I suppose, but I don't really do Whiz Wheels very much. I stick with the really old cars to do. The back opens up on this one. But I don't generally deal with it. I suppose it would go well with the Ford Zephyr, I suppose. I mean, I was a bit out of time, but it's a police set, isn't it? So, anyway, that's another one. Another one here is a little Corgi Toys Ford console. And I've looked at this and the bonnet is slightly bent on the front, right here, where it shuts on the light. And that's what's stopping the bonnet from shutting properly, that's all. But apart from that, it just needs stripping down, painting, back to its original colour, and then that's another one finished, restored. So that could be another little video we could do. This one here needs, the steering rack is gone on this. The bar's come off it's come off the man inside, because when you turn his head, you're supposed to steer the wheels like that as you turn his head. But it's come off inside somewhere, so that's got to be. But that's a nice little cool Maserati Formula 1. That can be restored. So it's not a bad little package up tonight. This here is just plain rubbish, really. I mean, what's this? Nissan 270. It's just Matchbox. Well, it's just rubbish. I'm not going to bother with that. I'll just throw that in the spares box. I might pick some bits out of it sometime. This is a Matchbox king size Lamborghini. Again, I'm not too keen on Matchbox restoration, but I'll do it one day if I'm bored. If I got nothing better to do. I might do this one though, because this is a Ford Capri. It's a Corgi Ford Capri. It's got the whiz wheels on it. I mean, I think the wheels need a bit of tidying up, but apart from that, it's all there. Doors open that. You got folding seats. I mean, that could be rejuvenated. So really, all in all, it's not a bad little package. So there you go. That's a nice little set of cars for restoration. Courtesy of a gentleman who lives in Edinburgh, who sold them to me. And I'm very pleased with what I bought. So it's given me plenty of work to do, and well, quite a few more videos to do, it looks like, at the end of the day. Right, the one I've decided to do first would be an Avengers set, what I've already got here. I'll show you. I had this little orange thing came through. So this came before the box I've just showed you. So I'm going to fix this one up, because the Bentley of the set ain't too bad. All it needs is a new screen, really. It's fairly good condition, this one, so it doesn't need taking apart, so that's going to be an easy fix. And I shall get that one, get that little set all sorted out. I'm waiting for parts at the moment for this, and then perhaps after that I shall have a go at the Fab 1, because I have had people ask me in comments before to do a Fab 1, so the Lady Penelope and Parker and all that, and I just haven't had one to do, to tell you the truth. But this little package I managed to get, there is one in there, so I'm going to have a go at that one. So for now, that's going to be it. Until the next time. So long, folks.